good morning. Welcome to Myttre's kitchen. So today recipe is a spicy recipe in Andhra style. So today we are going to do our Brinjal Masala in Andhra style, and this dish will be such a mouth-watering dish because of its own spiciness. So the ingredients required to do our Brinjal Masala is, I have taken brinjal, the green one, which is cut and soaked in the water, along with our coriander leaves, sesame seeds black, along with groundnut, green chilli, garlic and onions. Along with the ingredients mentioned, we will be using our regular oil, turmeric powder, chilli powder and salt. So let us get into the Andhra style Brinjal Masala. Do our spicy Brinjal Masala in Andhra style. I have taken a non-stick pan, added 3 tablespoons of oil. I am going to add the required amount of mustard seeds, around 1 tablespoon. Let it splutter. So along with that, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Followed with urad dal, I am going to add the chopped onions. I am adding little salt so that the onion gets cooked quickly. Friends, I am adding the required amount of salt. So as the onions are getting cooked, I have shown you the green chilli and the chopped garlic. We are going to pound the garlic and the green chilli finely, and we are going to mix it with our onions. Onions are getting tossed well. So now I am going to add a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Followed with our turmeric powder, I am going to add the pounded garlic and the pounded green chilli. As per the spice level you can add it. This is the main ingredient which gives a spicy taste, and the pounded garlic. I have taken each of this around 5 to 6 numbers, so you can take as per the requirement, and toss it well. So friends, I am going to add a very small amount of around half a tablespoon of chili powder. Now we are going to add our brinjal. The green brinjal will taste very nice compared to the purple brinjal. So try doing this Andhra style brinjal masala in green color. So let us drain the water and let us start adding our brinjal pieces into our masalas. So friends, let us see our brinjal. Yes, it's nicely cooked. We haven't added any water to it. It's cooked with the brinjal moisture itself. You can find the texture. It's giving such a nice aroma. So at this stage, it's almost cooked. So at this stage, you can find it's very soft. So at this stage, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, either black or white, whichever is available. I am adding the black sesame seeds, which is coarsely powdered. So 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Give a quick mix. Followed with this, we are going to add again 3 tablespoons of coarsely grinded groundnut. That is the main ingredient for our Brinjal Masala Andhra style. Now I am going to add our groundnut. It's already measured and kept, which is coarsely grinded, 3 tablespoons of the same. So give a quick stir. Next 1 minute we are going to garnish it with coriander leaves and going to remove it from the stove. So I am going to garnish it with our coriander leaves and going to have it displayed. Here goes our lovely spicy Andhra style or Hyderabad style Brinjal Masala. So please do try this recipe. It's a very mouth-watering spicy dish. Please do try this recipe and share your comments in the below comments box. So happy cooking. Stay safe. Bye-bye.